Hi! In this video, I will explain to you how to implement the Set in Order step of the 5S properly. At this stage, you should have only the item you need in the workplace. The goal is to locate these items in the best place. My grandmother used to say, "A place for everything and everything in its place." You can reach this goal by using shadow boards, labels, footprints, floor marking, trolleys, color code. Locate items by frequency of use to minimize the excess of movements, i.e. stretching and bending. You can use the spaghetti charts for analysis with the team to test different layout before starting labeling. Ergonomic principles and safety should have a key role in this step. For example, if you have a very frequently used item, it is better to locate in a zone close to the point of use and between the shoulder and the pelvis. During the set in order, you have to be like an engineer that works closely with people that normally works there to reduce waste with their complete embracement of the solution. It is forbidden to force a solution in this stage. On the other side, keep in mind that the positions can be changed in the future.